Hi guys, Laz here, and we're gonna talk about a little bit the basics of product research. So now in this video, I'm going to be doing some product research for my niche store, which is in dog products. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go on, whoops, I'm gonna go here. I'm shopping for on AliExpress, and I'm going to put dog drop shipping, and I'm gonna see what they have here. So this is giving me the best match, as you can see here. I'm actually going to click here where it says orders. I'm going to see some of the products that have sold a lot already. Now this isn't a good indicator of a product that will sell, because the issue with a lot of these is that they have been sold and oversold and oversold and oversold over and over again, guys. So that will usually mean that the product is not really a good product. But anyways, it's it not necessarily means that it's not a good product, but it means that it's going to be harder to sell because a lot of people have already been selling this product. But it gives me a good idea here of some products that I can add to my store just to give it more, add depth to it, and be able to, maybe upsell people on some of these products, because we know that they're popular. It's just that they've already been sold a lot. So we don't necessarily want to advertise these, but we want to add them to our store. So that's good. Let's keep scrolling down, see if there's anything here that might be of interest. Now, all these products, as you can see, orders are uh, they're a pretty significant amount. And yeah, let me see. Continue down here. These bandanas look cool. So yeah, basically, guys, we just want to go through this now. It says we want to click here so show us all the results. Yeah. Guys, we got some toys here. This is really cheap, guys. For $1.14, you get they sell those on Amazon for like $10. This water bottle looks pretty good. Something else we can add to the store. Hmm. This looks like a cool product that looks like it's sold a lot. As you can see, it's a higher priced item. That's not necessarily a bad thing, guys. This could be really good. It looks like a unique product, not something that is available. Just everything else seems like collars and leashes and stuff like that. These bowls are popular now too. So yeah, guys, this is I'm just looking here, looking through all these products. Another cool thing that I can do when doing product research, and this is mainly to avoid long shipping times, because as you can imagine, from coming from China, shipping times are pretty significant. So just to that, you can speed that process up a little bit. You can click right here where it says ship from and put United States. Now this will make shipping a whole lot faster. And we can go through these things, and maybe we find the product here that we can add to our store. I like this one right here. It's so that the dog stays in the back seat. As you can see, it says ship from US. This one looks good too. Something I would add. Maybe even this necklace. Since we're doing that niche specific store, which is just a dog store, a lot of these products, we just want to have them in there because people are going to be interested in the dog niche already, so they might go look around, start shopping, and they'll find something that they like. But yeah, guys, we just want to keep going through this. The main takeaway about the basic product research is that we don't want to advertise those big sellers, because we think, or we know rather, that they have already been advertised over and over and over and over again. So we want to see products that don't have many sales, that they look unique, that they look like good products that people will be interested in, and those are the ones that we want to focus more on. So if I had to choose some here, I might choose this dog water bottle. I might choose this right here, this cover for the back seat. I might go back and reset this, and I might choose that watering spray thing. Let me see if I can find it again. This right here. Even though it's a higher priced item, it looks like a unique item that you can't find at, say, Walmart. So those are the ones that I'll probably test out with advertising, but there's a lot of items here that we can add to our store, and we're actually going to be doing some adding some products to our store in the next video, guys. So yeah, this is a little basic when it comes to product research. This is just some of the over the top things that overall things that we want to look at. But we'll have a separate section for advanced product research where we're going to be talking about different apps that you can use to find good products that are just starting to sell. We're going to be discussing further methods, which are you can do product research with Amazon. You can do product research on several different spaces on Facebook even. You can basically do product research all over. But we're gonna for this video we're just gonna keep it here on AliExpress. The other videos are going to be in the Google section. Actually, they're gonna be in there, and they're gonna be talking about different forms of product research. And there's also gonna be that advanced product research section, which is gonna be using different apps to do your product research, which those apps are great. We use them to find winners all the time, and you guys should be using them too. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. That's some basic product research stuff. Just getting used to the AliExpress here search and how the products look, playing with some of the sort by options and shipping from, just so you guys know that you guys can choose stuff that only ships from the US and all that good stuff. So guys, that's some basics of product research, and in the next video we'll be adding some products to our store. Probably some of these right here. I'll be going through how to do that. It's very easy and very simple. And see you guys in the next video, guys. All right.